Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to get your Payoneer virtual card online very easily. Now I'm doing this tutorial and assuming that you have already opened your Payoneer account, you will have to get at least $100 on your account because you can't get your Payoneer virtual card without at least $100 in your account. This is just in the terms and conditions of Payoneer, so you just have to fill out this condition to get your card. Now let's get straight into it. Let's sign into my account. Now once I have logged in into my account, I just have to go to cards here in the left, and here you will find all the necessary informations for getting a card. And you will find a big blue button which says order card, so click on it. And then here choose whether it's a virtual card, which is what we're focusing on in this tutorial, or a physical card that will get shipped to you. So let's click on virtual card and click on next. Here choose the card currency, so let's choose USD, and then agree to the terms and conditions and click on order card. And that's it. It's as easy as that. Now you will get your card in a few days, so it should be pretty easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.